This is real dedication. It's peeing down with rain outside, but the lighting is so much better in here.
Is that right?
It really is.
Is it worth it?
Oh, it really is.
It really is.
It really, really is. I'm having a duvet day. It's my first PJ day of the month. But I'm editing all day. I've realised that I've not got any time left, so just got one video up, the Carter messenger bag tweaks that you need to make to get those on.
Oh, right.
And then I'm halfway, well, that's not even remotely true, I'm about a fifth of the way through the Make 9 video with Nicola that's supposed to be up on Saturday. So I need to get on with that. Papa has arrived!
Yes, through the wet,
Yes.
the storms,
Yes.
but I made it.
Yeah. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Merry Vlogmas!
Oh, yay.
Oh, well, something. Anyway, so day 20. How was your gin last night? Did you have gin last night? No, you went out.
I went out.
So you're still 3 behind.
Yes.
Don't open that one yet. Dad's getting excited. And I want to film opening it because it's a different thingy.
Oh.
Japanese craft gin. Roku. Okay. Oh, fancy.
Ah.
There it is, in the top right hand corner. Right, if it's a repeat, please be black forest gatto.
Oh, bated breath.
Salted caramel, I will take that. I enjoyed that one.
Was yesterday's not?
No, it's nice, but it's not my favourite.
You wouldn't.
But I don't like cooked apple, so you know, like, it was never going to be my favourite. Oh, bum. Have you got your phone with you?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I don't have to go back up. The other day I had to go back up in the rain because I've forgotten my phone. Because yes, today it's a weird door.
Ooh, little baby door, go on it.
That's reading.
Open the baby door.
No, he's reading.
Oh,
Don't disturb.
don't disturb.
Right.
Okay, now we can disturb.
It basically says it requires a touch of cleverness to open the door.
Ooh.
Oh, okay. Well, it looks perforated.
No riddle cards or strange items. So it's all about opening the door. Read that and see what you make of it.
Okay.
Where is it?
So I'm guessing brute force is not the one.
No.
Okay.
It says brute force is not the one.
Okay.
But it doesn't actually open. So
No,
it's
that's it.
through the looking glass. So
What is
you'll
that?
have to have a look. Is there a rabbit down there?
Looks like a black
It's
hole.
a giant black hole. Oh, it does look. Hang on. Let's see if we can. How do we turn
Is
that?
there a tunnel?
Oh, I can see.
Yeah, there's
something
Alice.
from here.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a Cheshire cat
Ah.
playing card. That's an 8 embossed. Oh, do you have to like? Can you?
Can you feel them?
Yes, but
Right.
my nails are slightly too long
Do you want me
to get my
Oh, Dante. Can you feel them?
It's 218. That in that direction.
I'd never know that.
No.
My fingers are too big.
Oh, I see.
You need a touch of cleverness. Yeah. From large to small.
21.
It's very slow.
I mean, that hole's just about big enough.
Yeah, and my nails were too long to get the
Yeah,
flat of my
yeah.
finger
Mine are
on it.
perfect.
But anyway.
But I could see with the torch, I could
Right.
see the
The two.
rays.
Right.
So
Oh, I like that. Look at that.
Dad's finding cash in his pockets.
Cash in my pocket.
So Dad's fancy windows have
See what I
arrived.
find. Oh, look.
Oh, Mum's got cash too, and a dog biscuit. That's about right.
It's
Oh,
mine.
Dad's stealing her cash.
They're going in the cougar bank.
Banco Cuba.
Yes, my windows have arrived.
Yes, don't. Shepherd's.
But I had to cut a bit of my pergola down to
You
get them in.
You did. But the glass is not arriving because it's too dangerous to move the glass in
It's
this
too
weather.
heavy and too wet outside.
Yeah.
Too dangerous.
So they're coming later.
No, tomorrow or the day after.
That also
Yay.
covers later.
Because I can build it tomorrow.
So what are you doing this afternoon? Are you painting? He was
I'm
just-
painting.
Good. So I'll give you a
I will
painting
finish
update.
the dog this afternoon.
I will give you a painting update
hope.
this afternoon, and then you're going to come down and do.
I'm going to see a client, and then I'm going to get my glasses sorted, and
Again?
then I'm going to fetch someone from hospital.
Okay, and I am going to spend the rest of the day editing. So that is our plan. But we need to stay still for one more thumbnail.
Can I breathe?
No! I'm going to go and make my salted caramel chocolate and report back and let you know how I enjoy this one, which I'm sure I will because I did last time. So that's very quick and short and sweet today. Taste test time. It is indeed delicious and I'm going to enjoy this very much, but I am going to words are hard. I'm going to be spending the rest of the day editing. Why my make been talking too much, and yeah, there's well, that was exciting. I have picked a colour that I think you're going to tell me is the colour that is the least flattering on me. But it's on my
good, I'm glad you've been taking my advice seriously.
Well, ooh, shh, be quiet, be quiet.
Shush. Video Shan. Listening to real Shan.
I was really happy with. I can't be allowed out in public, really. Can I do it the second time round?
Yes.
Just about.
You can spell. Congratulations.
Yay!
Really good choices.
Yay!
She got it right.
I have paid attention. I know. Haha. Come on. My friend Nimaway sent me this as my Christmas present from Germany.
Just to add something different to the collection, a floral.
She saw
Obviously
this.
heavily sarcastic now.
She saw this and thought of me.
Shocker.
I can't think why.
This is absolutely you.
It's beautiful, isn't
Yeah.
it? Okay, wild Chiana emerges. You right down there? Ooh. Did I poke you in the eye? I'm so sorry. The painting is technically done, and I think Dad is going to go in and do some finishing details to it, but I'm really pleased with how it's come out. I mean, I know I didn't paint it, but I did find it and purchase it, so I'm glad that they've done it. But yay!